Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type squared symbol on a keyboard laptop. So very easy and simple way guys, you can type. I will show you two methods. First one X, then type number 2. Now select only 2 and select here square. So this is the first method. Second one, type A and 2, only select number 2. Press and hold Shift Control. Now press equal sign on keyboard. So this is the shortcut, Control Shift and equal sign on your keyboard. So this is the way you can type square. Shortcut is Control plus Shift plus equal sign. So thanks for watching.